Got one drilling here. Well, in the words of a Lady Would Unite comrade, crap. Look at this. Waste of decent buildings. One unit's down. Yeah, that unit was up before. Yep, this has been taken back though since I last saw it. Sod off bulldozers. This one's going to turn into a choppy head in a minute. Next is taking the rubble. Oh yes, we have the chompy head right there. Yes, he was chomping at building just now. Yes, they're now chomping at what was the cafe that Petra owned. And they've chomped at the art as well here. Oh, these people. Sod off bulldozers. What a waste of perfectly decent buildings. Sod off bulldozers. As a Lady Would Unite elected representative, I do not condone this. Knocking down perfectly decent buildings. They needed to come down, they needed to come down. I'm very worried about Druids Heath. They've just been signed the contract for demolition. That greedy thing over there. Greedy thing. My main point of attraction with these things is the choppy one here. One that looks like it's trying to eat the building like it eats a bloody sandwich. Honestly. Chomp monster. Sod off bulldozers. Look at it. That's my way. If you're not having my way, that's my dinner. Chomp. That head definitely looks like somebody I know from the music scene. Someone very grumpy. definitely looks like someone I know. Definitely a narcissist. The words of one of my comrades. Crap. Should I say in an American accent? Crap.
That's doing a lot of damage.
Sod off, bulldozer. Anybody thinking of touching Druid's Heath? Hands off Druid's Heath. Hands off Ladywood. Hands off Coventry. Hands off King's Standing. Sod off, bulldozers.
Yeah.
Crack. The words of a comrade. Crack. Seriously, this thing's doing way too much damage. What's it for? Making a lot of racket, this dinosaur thing here.
Oh, that's Mercy. I think it was a spring trap. It's would be a wise thing.
I used to do them, but now I know because I'm on Facebook.
Oh my god, this thing is just going right in there and just chomping away. It's hard to even catch it. There it is. What is it doing? It's just, look at it. Sod off, you big fat ugly chocolate brain. That's horrible.
Remember those black stairs that used to sit on there? They're sitting there to go to the car park. But that's not those stairs.
They were steel stairs. They were just about here where that.
Yeah.
Where that. Found where that escalator is. That's where the stairs were.
Now it's going to sleep on the job. Oh. The face on that.
I might go back and get it.
That is like a huge dinosaur. Oh, now that's come to life. The Stegosaurus has just come to life. Got the T-Rex doing all the chomping. I think this one's going to clear up the crack on the building over here. Yeah, it's going to finish off the job, that one. That one's just the cleaner. This one is the destroyer, and the other one's pretty much one of the cleaners. That one's just greedy, it just eats all the building up. Oh no, this pole, this is what's going to happen, it's going to fall down and then there's going to be a whole load of mess, that's what I assume. Oh no, let's go for the bottom. You hear two people in the background saying there used to be some kind of restaurant. Perfectly, again, decent restaurants. Oh, sod off bulldozer, go away. Oh, oh no, that one's going to do the work now. Oh, oh God. God, on this one, honestly. Action there. Honestly. Greedy. Sod off bulldozers. That's my dinner. Get off. My dinner. My dinner. My dinner. They're fighting for scraps now. Stupid developers. These cranes represent the developers without a doubt. They're just so greedy. No, that's mine. That's mine. We don't share. It's horrible. I swear to God, this is not going to be Ladywood. This is not going to be homes in Ladywood. I'm going to campaign to make sure it doesn't happen. Me and my unite. As a Ladywood Unite elected representative, I do not condone what they are doing at all. Sod off bulldozers. Eating boulders. Some of these greedy people, all they do is eat boulders in the figurative sense. Because because they're cold. Boulders for dinner, boulders for breakfast. They don't care about people, they only care about money. Sod off, bulldozers. Wonder where this ugly head's going to go. He's going to put the head down now. Where's it going? Is he putting the ugly head down now? Is he going to replace it with another head? Oh, it's gone to sleep. It's taking its power nap. It's tired. Right, time for a power nap. Then it's going to go back to being greedy and destroying again. Right,